Okay, today's lesson's on the keyword this. A lot of programs we work with are small, so it really doesn't affect us too much. But in case you work with a very large program with several other programmers, sometimes variables share this. Users use the same variable names. So for example, in this example here, we have a class called student, and it has a private field called name. Okay, now name is global. That means all methods share this name. Okay, and it's global. Okay, all methods have access to it. So I just call name. Also, if you notice here, we have a method called public void set name string name. Now this name is totally different than this name up here. These are two different names. This is a local variable. This name here only exists inside of the method set name. So the compiler, when it sees this, it takes name coming in like Bob and assigns Bob to name, which is the local variable, because local variables, when it comes to with the same name, it will be the dominant one. Okay, it'll take the local over global. Okay, so local variables are used before global variables if they have the same name. So basically you're really not doing anything. You're not affecting this name up here. Okay, so to avoid this conflict where we have two names coming in, where I actually want to assign name to this name up here, what I need to do is use the keyword this. And you notice it's a keyword because it appeared in blue. And this dot name refers to this name, whereas this name here refers to this name. Again, these are two different names, two different memory locations. One is a local memory location, one is a global. So here we say take the local name, Bob, and put it into name of the global up here. Okay, so that's why we use the keyword this. This dot name refers to the fields. Okay, just in case other programmers are programming with the same variable names, so don't get confused. Okay, the compiler will get confused at runtime. Which name are you talking about? And again, local will always overrule global, so this avoids that situation. This is a very short lesson on the keyword this. Anytime you want to have a problem where names, variables share the same name, use this to distinguish between the two. This name refers to the global variable. This name refers to the local variable. Okay, so hopefully you understand the keyword this. Make sure you read over the book on this chapter on inheritance. We went over super yesterday. We're going over keyword this today. Tomorrow we'll probably be going over our abstract classes, and then also interfaces and implements. So we'll have a lot more to do with inheritance. So keep reading that chapter. It's a lot of information in that chapter you need to know. So read it, get a good understanding of it. If you have any questions, see me in class or after class. Shoot me an email. Have a nice day.